everyone and welcome back. So today I'm doing a short video about unboxing my presents that I got for a recent occasion, my baby shower, and then I'll share with you what I eat in a day as a pregnant as a pregnant lady. So yeah, let's get right into it. So as you know, I have been trying to get different from the kitchen, So for the kitchen, or from the sitting room, or when I'm doing my life, and I got different gifts. Ring light, something like this, with tripod stand. From the Misho, I know what's in the box. In the box there's a phone holder, and then there's extendable, you can extend it, and then there's a tripod, and there's a thing that can hold a microphone, and then it's powered by either USB or you connect it to the power. So it doesn't have as many parts as it was. This is 10 inches in diameter. I think it serves me just fine because we are trying to also improve the lighting in the rooms. They don't need very much
You
light.
and I in unity to guide the lost souls and set them free. So why do I feel you slipping away, slipping away? I'm like a butterfly. Without you, I've no wings to fly. So tell me why do I feel you slipping away, slipping away?
It has a wall. Let's break color dimensions. Let me check this with the manual. It has white, yellow, and warm. It's white, yellow, and warm. And then, once you set it, it remembers the setting that you have picked. Yes. So this is the tripod. I like it because it looks handy. Mostly handy, yes. It looks stronger. And then we have also we have developed brand quality for me things, right? I think that's what I mean, yeah? Like we have bought so many things from the Misho that we trust the brand. So this was from the Misho and it looks... Oh no, it's not from the Misho, it's from Textbook Center. Oh my goodness. And the brand is McDonald's. Something. And write that name. So this is how the tripod looks like. And then it can extend to like almost 2 meters. It's really long. And then to this now. To this stand, now is where you put the ring light. And you my mom says look at me. I like this thing, but it already looks interesting. This is like configured. Oh yeah. trying to figure out how to set up my tripod.
And you're calling me too over dramatically talk to me. And you're so funny, you're all I wanted. And I can't talk, want you out of my life, so say none. I'll wait for days if you ain't one. I'll say none.
Okay, let me just
So
start.
stay with me. You know that I'll follow. We can't breathe together, we'll fall apart. Stay here right in my arms, and we'll start again. So stay with me. Together we'll fall apart.
The ring light itself is supposed to be this.
Together we'll
It's angled at the story. Yeah, something like that.
Together we'll fall apart. Stay here right in my arms, and we'll start again.
This thing is supposed to hold like a microphone or a bigger phone or a bigger camera. Let's see if I can hack this one. It's just supposed to open up and then you see like this. Technicalities. So this thing is supposed to work even for podcasts and such. So this one is supposed to hold the microphone. Something. So it's supposed to get an extension. It's supposed to hold an extension. I'll show you a picture of the user manual. And I'll take a picture of the user manual. It's not necessarily Bluetooth, that the switch is put it on here. And then I can put the light. So this is the warm feel. Vibrator mode. Yes, these are 3 modes. The soft one, a light one, and then a really warm one. So I'm hoping now I do my next live. Which I like my kids and people told me I would in the dark. So when I do my next live, it will be much better. So before you can attach it here. Grateful for this ring lights and to finally have it because I had those best plans. I think you guys have seen them, especially within the lights. I had some several best plans that were not really that good, but now with this it will work pretty good. So yeah, this one we got from, no, this is me, yeah? This is from Minnesota, not me, from Minnesota. But it's also a nice one. It has still the 3 modes. It was having good enough. And a few others. I think the ring lights to be much easier. So I'm really grateful to have gotten the light out for more content and include what is it called? Vlogmas. Yes, it's Merry Christmas, guys. Looking for the next one that we will record. I will record it from house and push of course on it. For now, let's go to the kitchen and see what I have for a cake. I will present it. Bye guys. Hello and welcome to another video. Thank you for clicking on this link. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and thank you so much for being here. So today I want to share with us what I eat in a day as a pregnant mom. Yes, as a pregnant mom. So I'll be taking you with me today and just showing you what I eat. It's not a typical day because I'll be stepping out. Typically, a typical day would be one that I'm here for the whole day. But yeah, I'm not today. I'm going to be stepping out. In case you're new here, my name is Jessica and this channel is Mindful Nutrition. We do content about food, information about lifestyle diseases, and about lifestyle itself. So welcome, and stay tuned. Let's see what I eat.
Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats. We're talking about yam and and cashew nuts.
So this is my breakfast.
Mommy,
Yeah, I'm having some boiled sweet potato.
careful for it.
Okay, be careful.
Yes.
Alright. Some boiled sweet potato, alright. And frankfurter or a sausage. It's the one you use for hot dogs. And some cashew nuts. Cashews, again, these are brand and multi nutrition. So many benefits, so many ways how to use them. Yeah, and that's it. Them days. A cup of what is it called? Drinking chocolate? Yes, and it has sugar. Yes, milk, butter, chocolate, and some sugar. So that's it for me. And then they preferred to have you can work with that. They preferred to have toasted bread. Give me the butter as opposed to this. Preferences, whatever one wants to eat. We allow them because I don't know even why we had bread, because it's been there for a few. And why not? Yes. So that's it for my breakfast. I prefer the sweet potatoes because they are filling, and as I said, I'm heading out, so I need something that will be filling, that will keep me fuller for longer. As for the cashews, these ones are kind of split, but normally we would eat like a handful, not really that many, like 8 to 10 pieces of cashew nuts. 8 to 10, yes, 8 to 10 pieces of full cashew nuts. These ones are split, but if you get the full ones, you just need 8 to 10. Yeah, and that's it. A sausage for my protein. So the only thing that I haven't had is a fruit, so probably I'll have that at 10. Yeah.
Talking about yam
About?
cashew nuts and sausage.
This is what?
Yam.
It's a sweet potato.
No, yam.
You think it's a yam? It's not a sweet potato?
Yes, it's a yam.
Yeah. Were you having yam or bread?
Yes.
Which one were you eating yourself? Give me
Tap,
that
tap, tap.
one. Eat your cashews. Another one. They are your favorite. Haina. So this is what I served.
I think it's
Melon,
on me.
chapati, that awesome tomato, salad, some beef, some rice, different types of rice. Oh, there's some cabbage under here. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. So I'm going to go and eat and enjoy my lunch in this awesome graduation. Over here, I have heated some yellow beans. Let me show you that. So, these yellow beans were actually stewed like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, so you see the date was 16th of November. So that's what I'm reheating here. I removed it from the oven in the morning and it has glowed all day. It's just simmering there. Then I'll garnish it with coriander or maybe not. I'm not sure I have coriander or even the time to chop up coriander. And yeah, we have that with some rice. So this carrot or cashew nut rice. We had some leftover rice in the oven, so I've just fried up the veggies, put some turmeric and the rice and let it warm. Then over here, too much thing. Over here I have some red cabbage that I'm sticking. For this one I put onion and then the cabbage, some salt and some paprika, and it's actually ready for this one. And down the heat and it's ready. There's a lot of steam. So those are the veggies we have, and then of course I'm serving with some avocado. I hope the ones are good and they don't disappoint. So that's the end of my lovely day. It was a long day. I'm actually really tired. That's why I batch cook when I can. Those who are asking about the pots, they are amazing. And you see, like this one, this place allows steam to come out. So they are very good for reheating. Let me show you also with the yellow beans like that. Then this pan is from, we bought it, actually we bought it like so many years ago, when we were starting life. It was ex-UK. You can see, it's SQ Professional. It's really serving as well. It comes, the pan with the lid, and yeah, this one has not disappointed. The other set of superiors had tokad, the inside had discolored, but that pan did not. It's not the same quality actually. It is quite better, much better quality. So that's it for my supper. I'll just show you how I serve it, and that will be what I eat in a day as a pregnant woman. Thanks for watching. So I'm just gonna serve my portion. Because I've snapped a lot since I came back actually. The yellow beans and gonna have some of the veggies.